registration. Now, what is the flow? Kung gusto mong mag-apply, ano ba yung sistema? Kasi hindi yan yung kagaya sa student visa, no? Actually, kahapon may nagtanong sa akin, attorney, hindi ko makita yung subclass 189, hindi ko makita yung subclass 491 sa IMI account. You won't see it, no, straight away, kasi you can't apply for it directly. You need to be invited so that the system can open to you. Now, once you're invited, well, obviously, the application will come from Skill Select and then moving to the IMI account. So, what's the workflow now? The first one is, given na meron na kayong skills assessment at meron na kayong English, so, well, obviously, the next thing that you need to do, ang umpisa ng ating application flow is the Skills Select, EOI, Expression of Interests, alright? So you have to do first your expression of interest. And you have to make sure that whatever you claims in your skill selects are correct and accurate, because that will be the basis of invitation. Okay, if you did something wrong and you were invited based on the information you gave, you will have a problem supporting it kung hindi totoo. Kaya kailangan totoo yung inyong mga kine-claims under expression of interests. Okay? Then after expression of interest, if you want and if you're looking for 5 points coming from the state, that will be the time that you will need to look at which state can I approach, which state is needing my qualification. Okay, and that's the registration of interest. The registration of interest could be under 190 or 491 or both. Pwedeng dalawa, pwedeng sabay. Now, and then, if, say, for example, the state or the regional body like you, they will give you an invitation. So once they give you the invitation, it's time for you to respond to that invitation. Meaning to say, are you accepting the invitation? If you want to accept the invitation, then make an application. Okay? So make an application. That's the third one. And once you are approved by the state or by the regional body, then another invitation will come out, and that will be an invitation for you to lodge the visa application. Okay? So that's why I'm saying you won't see it straight away in any account. This is just not like the 407, the 408, the COVID visa, or 485, or student visa. You can go straight to IMI account because it's there. You can make some tryouts or whatever. This is not, because it's not open until you have the invitation, and it should come from the Skill Select.